Hello friends, welcome back to USN Mix channel. Today's topic is Samsung Galaxy M40 Smartphone specification and price. It already launched in India, so first go to the USN Mix report, usnmix.com. So usnmix.com, there is one report about Samsung Galaxy M40 Smartphone specification and price. First go to the full report. Samsung Galaxy M40 smartphones specification and price. USN Mix report. Samsung Galaxy M40 launches in India at the beginning of the June. So it will be, we are little wait to come in India. Samsung Galaxy M40 will come in India in the beginning of this next month June. Then it will become today, tomorrow, thereafter tomorrow. So only 2 days remaining to come in India. 2 or 3 days remaining. We'll wait for 1 week to come in the mobile stores. There are several interesting features including 500 MHz powerful battery and price and triple rear camera this smartphone. So this smartphone have 5000 MHz powerful battery and triple rear camera. This is the main features of this smartphone. The battery is very powerful and the camera is also powerful. So go to the detail of this specification. In the month of January, Samsung launches Samsung M10 and Galaxy M20 in their M series of this smartphone in the middle of this pocket price. The price is low. So M30 comes later in the market. Galaxy M40, a smartphone in M series, Samsung M series is going to launch in India at this time. There are several interesting features including 5000 MHz powerful battery and triple rear camera in the smartphone. Let's take a look at the Galaxy M40 specification and price. This is the phone. M40, Samsung Galaxy M40 specification and price. First, 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity Card O display, more than 81% of phone's screen to video ratio. Second is 6GB RAM. 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage variant can be found in the M40, Galaxy M40, Android 9.0 Pie operating system and Snapdragon 675 chipset. It is known that the Galaxy M40 will have a 16 megapixel primary sensor plus 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor plus 5 megapixel direct sensor triple rear camera setup. The fingerprint sensor is also in the rear, on the rear of this phone. So there is also fingerprint sensor in this phone. And the number 5 is this phone contains 5000 MHz powerful non-removable battery. With the convenience of the last charging, it has been reported that Samsung has given special importance on the battery backup of this phone. 4G LTE Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.0 GPS, A by GPS and USB Type-C port for connectivity. It is known that Galaxy M40 will be worth 25,000 rupees in India. So it will be available in the next month soon, in the June. So and its price is 25,000 and its specialty in the battery. Battery is very powerful, 5000 MHz powerful battery and triple rear camera, 48 megapixel triple rear camera. So this is the specification of this Samsung Galaxy M40 smartphone specification and price. This is the report about this smartphone M40 specification and price, and that's it. If you like our video, if you like our channel, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.